just a simple tutorial to record your vocals, and I'm gonna show you two ways to add your audio also in Audacity. The first way is open your own folder that where you save your music or your beats, and just click only one beat and put it there. Audacity will just take it very easily, it will be there. So the other way is, if you want, you can also just click this place here, this corner here, and everything will go. You can just click open files. When you came to files and came here, import audio, press audio, and you will see your library. Then you can select your music that you want. So for this video, I'm gonna use here this file in a very simple way. For not wasting your time, is I'm gonna show you people in a very simple way how you people can add your interface. When you just connect your mic and your interface here, you can just see when you press here, you will see your interface and any other type of mic that you are using. This is what I'm using. So there are so many mics and interface that are using only mono one recording channel. If you have stereo, you can use it, but I'm using mono, so I'm gonna use mono. When you came here, you can select also either you want to use your speakers or your headphones or any Bluetooth headphone that you want. You will see the option here. Any option that you feel to use, you can use that one. I'm using Fourier USB audio, so I'm gonna click that and I'm ready. If I want also to record, I'll just come here and press record. It will start recording my voice. Now you can see my voice is coming, and when you pause it here, you can just start back. Here you press can see record. You will see my voice. Now you can see my voice is coming. Okay, so to remove it also, if you want, you can press here. If you want also, you can press the left side of the mouse and right, then you cut off, it will go. If you want also, let's remove everything, you can press the right side of the mouse, then you add mono track. Mono track will bring another track here also. So here you can see this is your volume. You can use to add your mic voice, and here you can also reduce your beat voice volumes, or if you want, you can add it also. So what we're gonna do is, like, I'm just gonna leave it in the middle here because this is emotional beat. So I will just play it for you. So you see the beat is very slow, and now what I'm gonna do is here to monitor that, to see myself when I'm talking, to see my mic when my mic is recording well. I'm just gonna press here in the mic here. When you press it, you will see. So if you want to know either your mic level is okay or not, here you can see when your mic, when you are talking and the volume is here in the zero, then means that everything is getting interrupted. But I think the best way, the best place that you should let your mic to be is in the 12, between the 12 and 18, because way to control everything when you are recording and when you are setting back everything. So when it is here, it will be very, very loud. I don't even want to try that now. So when I try it, it will just be interrupted. So what we're gonna do now, the beat is here. Instead of playing all the this silence side, I'm gonna press the left side and cut it. When I cut it, everything will be closer, and you can hear now very well. So I'm gonna record now. I'm gonna press the record button here, and you will see everything will be there. So when the voice is low, and you can also put back everything. Let me just add a little bit of my mic volume here. Okay, so let's start recording. Okay, so you people can see here when I'm talking, you can see now down here everything is coming and the music is there. The music is there, and we are still there. So please don't forget to subscribe, because this is all about Sparta King Sparta. So now here you can see. Okay, now here you can see the beat is going very, very louder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna low. Sorry, I have moved it. Okay, I'm gonna load the beat, and and here the beat will be there. The beat is still there now, but and see if the beat will be like before. Okay, so you people can see here when I'm talking, you can see now down here everything is coming and the music is there. The music is there and we are still there. So you can see now my voice is very loud. I can say it's almost loud, but to make things very clear, and you can see here also the voice is very loud and here it is very very small. So what you're gonna do, just press the left side mouse of the mouse and mark it all. When you mark it, don't press anything, don't cut it, just came here in the middle, envelope tool. If you want, you can press F2, but I prefer pressing here. When I press it there, you would see everything here. This is new now. You can see now the mouse is different. I will just press the again, press again. So I'm giving my voice opportunity to open the file very well and to be like the one that the beat now. So here you can see when I move it, it will close and it will open. So instead of closing it, I'm gonna open it a little bit and I'm gonna open again and open. So you can see here now I'm opening everything. My voice will be louder than before. So okay, now you can see now everything is done. This is just beginning. So recording. When I'm talking, you can see now down here everything is coming and the music is there. The music is there. Okay, so here is the simplest way to cut off also the beat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press here. This finger also is also the same thing to cut off your beat. You can just press the right side and it is done. To save your recording is very very easy. I'm not gonna show you instant how you can do everything, because I don't wanna waste much time. So when you came to the file and export your music MP3. If you want, you can use WAV file and that's it. So I will set let's say SKS 222 and you save. Here says download. Okay, now here is my mix. They are gonna mix everything and track everything here. Then they will just do anything that they want to do to help you people also to make up everything like you want it. So here you can see chat album. You can type your album name there. So just look at here SKS. When you it's done now. So when I came here to download. Here is my project. So this is it. I'm using another application that track everything in my computer. So any file that I want to open, this application will open it. I will make a video about this application also for you people. So this is how you people can save your music and record your own music at home. So if you enjoyed this video, please try to subscribe and share Sparta King Sparta. That is 2022. So we're gonna do